want to. I hope my phone will still keep recording because I want to show you guys how it walks. Each thing shakes. Shakes like a Hoover Electron or Logic, whichever shakes worse. Right, hang on. Door is very flimsy on this system. It hasn't got the same sound effects with the ones with the water in the door though. If I was to push that, look. Go one more time. So I can get to redistribute the load. Oh yeah, it's actually spinning water out into a little. Hang on, so I can get. I'm trying to get it to. I'll put it up on the windowsill so it shakes. Thanks for watching.